Yo, Tyrell. Fuck a photo. We're filming this shit, man.
Man, they ran over a tire. Well, I was like, what the fuck is that smell? God damn, what the hell they ran over? Jeez. Damn, jet came off. Swerve and shit. Y'all really drove y'all trucks in there?
On social media.
Not bad at all.
For me personally, I
didn't
don't
know it was gonna be
post
round on this end too. I
my
thought it was just
jokes.
over there.
Like crowd workout posts, but like stuff that I work on, I write. I don't post that at all because people try to take it,
You
remix
already
it,
in the
and flip it.
roundabout. Ain't nobody
Yeah,
come in.
and plus you still selling it.
Yeah.
You understand? I had to stop my team with it. You can't post the shit that they be in my motherfucking show. Like, no, that ain't for shit. We gonna sell this. This ain't going out for
Make a
free.
special of it.
Yeah, this ain't for free. So you have to educate them there too. I think your relationship problem with you, you put a share on social media.
Your drug use.
Amen.
Because I did that once. I did that once, and then everybody like, so you like the powder, don't you?
8 ball is your special. We ain't talking about pool.
Yeah, so I was like, man, wow, wow, really, it wasn't crack. It was just something to keep me going.
You had cooked it.
Damn, man.
If not, then they just profiting off people's pain, and I don't like that. Are any of the proceeds going to any of those things?
I'm looking at, you know me, I'm looking at it right now. Such a story. And she was, everybody was, he loves to dance.
No seatbelt. She jetting up on her seatbelt on?
I'm good.
Well, to where it's not in you.
Need to know. Yeah, get your phone back.
Ain't a minute now.
Time I saw you, knew that you were not to give to me. I found my grace in you. The Lord in this world more precious to me.
Tell me, how come after just 6 months you don't think you're going to make it?
Your Honor, I will be honest with you.
Really?
We were born. I cannot hear the singers cry.
From the season right now. Already had. They got him
Oh, so
to this
it's $5
state.
card.
Alright. You doing cash?
University
Card.
of Tennessee.
Alright.
Tennessee State. And Tennessee State University.
Oh.
Tennessee.
Alright. Yeah, you go straight ahead, they'll direct you to the park, okay?
Alright.
The journal report.
Yes.
Where the page is.
Alright.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Goddamn fucking jar. You ran the fuck out of that. Oh shit.
Shit, Dennis. So I took care. And rest on mechanic. I took care of all my kids.
So what you say to a woman that's concerned?